Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send your PayPal account details to receive money. The simplest way to receive funds is by sharing your registered PayPal email address or mobile number. Alternatively, you can create and share a unique PayPal.me link, which makes requesting money even easier. Always ensure the details you provide are accurate and linked to your confirmed PayPal account for seamless transfers. This preparation prevents common issues. Sharing your primary PayPal email address or confirmed mobile number is often the quickest method to receive funds. To find these, simply log into your PayPal account and navigate to your profile or settings. Make certain that the email or phone number you provide has been verified by PayPal. Communicate these precise details to the sender, perhaps through a quick text message or email, to avoid any confusion or delays in your payment. For an even more streamlined experience, consider setting up a PayPal.me link. This personalized URL allows people to send you money directly without needing your email or phone number. Just visit the PayPal.me website, log in, and create your unique link, perhaps including your name or business. You can then simply share this link via text, email, or even on social media, making it incredibly convenient for others to pay you swiftly and securely. After providing your details, always confirm with the sender that they have initiated the payment. It is a good practice to occasionally check your PayPal account activity to monitor incoming funds. Also, remember that while many personal payments are free, some transactions, like international transfers or those from business accounts, might incur a small fee, which will be clearly displayed. Ensuring security and accuracy in every step helps guarantee a positive receiving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.